In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase or buy Steam gift card. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Steam gift card and then search for it. Navigate to this one website, Steam gift card, the official website of it. Once you're in this page, click on this option, send a digital Steam gift card. You will be directed to this page where you're going to find tons of gift card options with various amount, $10, $5, $25 and many more. Select the one that you want to send. Now type in the name of the person to whom you want to send. Likewise, you can also add the message, then click on continue. Now provide your payment details, confirm it. With that, you have just purchased the selected digital card and you have sent it to your friend, and that's it. This is how you can easily buy or purchase Steam gift card online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.